That's a crooked line.
Car. What are you doing?
Hey, let's play tic-tac-toe. No, what's it called again? You guessed the word?
Oh, hangman.
Hangman. Yeah. Okay, hold on.
Guess the word.
I remember it's shot.
Chalk. I want chalk.
My little circle.
My circle. Ah! Oh shit. Oh my god, freaking. Look at my circle.
Hey, try to over that big circle. Try to over.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. You're gonna think about what the hell are we doing?
We're tagging.
Keep going. Construction. Oh, right there, Mariah.
What the hell are you doing? They're gonna wonder what we're doing.
Turtle. Angel, lay down.
That's a
Let me-
turtle.
Oh, it's a turtle. That was a happy face.
Only over the
It looks
turtle.
like a happy face. But if you look up at it this way, it looks like a kid with a pimple.
Yeah.
And it looks like a walking.
Like a wannabe sun.
It looks like a trampoline.
Like a wannabe sun.
Lay down on the ground. Let me take you.
Yeah, try to lay down.
You go lay down. Get out. Who said that?
Get out, get out, get out, get out. The street, man.
Who was yelling? Get out the street. Hurry.
There's some people over there, like, just watching. Just watching us do some stupid shit.
Oh, I
You
stepped
got
on
a video camera?
Oh, yeah. I'm recording.
If it's a video, oh, you're a video camera?
Yeah.
Okay.
crime scene.
Crime scene.
Crime.
Crime scene.
Oh, what the fuck? Fuck you, you fucking bitch!
What the fuck?
Fuck you, white trash! KKK.
What the fuck?
Wait, what was it gonna do?
I don't know, but if he comes back around, I have a skateboard.
Car.
Car. La 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 la.
Crime scene.
Whoa!
What?
Stop whining! Tristan! That's a crap!
Bunch of
Exactly like that. That's Bill? What the hell is that? The blue kids play the white.
You got two dildos coming through. I'm just the only one just acting normal. Watch out, watch out, watch out.
You guys could be in the middle. Nobody goes in there.
Bill and...
My crime scene here. Get out of the fucking street.
Crime scene.
Crime scene!
Billy Joel died doing it.
Look at the running them over!
Oh wow. No disrespect.
Michael Jackson died right here.
Oh yeah, we should draw that. We should totally draw that.
This is his head. This is R.I.P. Oh God!
It looks like a gingerbread man. It's a gingerbread man. It's a gingerbread
Look at Michael
man.
Jackson.